All right, now let's take a look at number 4. Wayne says, so Wayne is going on a 4-kilometer hike. He took a break at 4/3 kilometers. He took a drink of water at 10/3 kilometers. Show Wayne's hike on the number line. Include his starting and finishing place and the 2 points where he stops. Okay, this is a lot to take in. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. Okay. Let's take a look at the first one, right? So he went on a 4-kilometer ride. Okay, always underline what's important, right? 4-kilometer ride. That means there are 4 holes in this problem. Okay, so let's make that real quick. We are starting with 0. This endpoint is going to be 4. Okay, and if there's 4 parts, there's 3 lines. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 1 part here, 2 parts here, 3 parts here, and 4 parts total. Okay. Now, it says he took a break at 4/3 kilometers. Okay, so when we look at this fraction of what the whole number line is going to be represented by, is going to be split into 3 parts. And we got to find where 4 would come across on the number line. Okay, so this is going to be 1, 2, 3, and they're all going to represent kilometers. Okay, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, and 4 kilometers. That's where we have to get. So first it says he took a break at 4/3 kilometers, and then he took a drink of water at 10/3 kilometers. Okay, so if we're splitting into thirds, that means from one hole to the next, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, or 3 to 4, it's going to be split into thirds. Okay, so let's do that from 0 to 1. If there's 3 parts, there's 2 lines. 1, 2. Next one, 1, 2. From 2 to 3, 1, 2. And then 3 to 4, 1, 2. And then so we have 3 parts between each hole. Okay, so let's find 4/3, right? This is going to be 0/3. Whenever we start, it's going to be 0/3, right? 0 out of 3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, and 4/3. Uh-oh, let's just clear that a little bit. Undo that. And 4/3, okay? 4/3. This is where he took a break. So let's do that for B. Let's represent that as B, not the best B, okay? And now it says he took a drink of water at 10/3. Okay, so we have to count just based off of the numerator, that top number. Forget about the bottom denominator. We already did that part. Now we're counting to 10, okay? 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, and 10/3. Bam, we got it. Okay. And then let's label that. I'm going to pinpoint that. Let's label that. It says he took a drink of water. Let's just do D. Took a drink right there. So at 4/3 along the way, he took a break. And then over here, he took a drink of water at 10/3 of a kilometer. So show Wayne's hike on the number line. We did that. And include his starting and finishing place and the 2 points where he stopped. We got it, just like that. Okay, and then if you were to look at the very end here, this is 10/3, 11/3, 12/3, and just a quick reminder, the reason why this is represented as 4 is because they did 12 divided by 3 equals 4, just like that, okay? When you look back at 3, and if you go back 1 from 10/3, it's going to be 9/3, and when you look at it that way, it is 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And if you go back to 2 over here, which represents 2 kilometers, 2 holes, that's going to be, let's see, 9/3, 8/3, 7/3, and 6/3. The reason we know that is because 6 divided by 3 is, you guessed it, 2. Okay, and then 1 over here is when you just stack them on top of each other. This is 4/3. This is going to be 3/3 because that is 3 out of 3 pieces. Okay. All right, that's all we really got today. Just a small little one. Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. Again, I love seeing everybody for the parade yesterday. I'm sad that we didn't see everybody. We couldn't make it to everybody, but it was just how the route was, I guess. Take care, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.